Dear students, I'm here to explain how to write your lab reports and how to submit your lab reports. I have getting so many queries that and a lot of confusions are there between the students how to write these lab reports and how to submit these lab reports. Okay, see, you have done 3 experiments till now: practical 1, practical 2 and practical 3, in which practical 1 you have determined taking backside, foresight, intermediate side, you calculated reduced levels using height of plane collimation method and rise and fall method. So once you complete your experiment number 1, practical 1 lab report submit. If you open this, you will get a submission here. If you open this report, you will get only the templates. See, it is only empty sheets here. Just fill the observations, calculate the height of collimation and calculate the RLs and do arithmetic check and resubmit it back on the provided submitted link on the Moodle. Submit here on the Moodle. So once you submit experiment practical 1, the same thing here, practical 2, you have lab template attached here. So after this, practical 3. So practical 3, the same thing, the lab template is available here. You have to submit, you have to download this and you have to fill the values and you have to submit it back. So these 3 is separated. These are the only lab templates which you are doing you are writing the observations and doing the calculations and providing the arithmetic check. There is no literature to be written in the lab templates. These lab templates gives you 2 marks each. Okay. So in this, a report on auto leveling survey, it is not like submitting first experiment, second experiment, third experiment, or combining the experiment. It's not like that. It is just a report on auto leveling survey, which means that take the data and results and your observations of experiment 1, 2 and 3. You have to write this report. If you go through the guidelines provided, you can understand clearly. Whatever we are expecting is the title. The title is a report on auto leveling survey. It is already there. Title is a report on auto leveling survey. Now coming to scope of the practice. In this, theory and application should be included. A brief statement of the purpose and significance of the practical exercise should be indicated. In theory, you provide what is leveling, what is the equipment used for leveling, what is manual auto level, what is electronic auto level. Write some theory about that and what are the applications. What are the applications of auto leveling survey in civil engineering field, where this leveling and where this equipment used in civil engineering field. This is very important. You should search some information from the internet and you have to frame in your own language. If you copy from the internet, you are going to plagiarized. So it should be under it. You have to submit this report under Turnitin. So take care of this plagiarism, and so that theory about auto level, manual auto level, electronic auto level, what is leveling, where you use leveling. Applications means what are the applications of auto leveling instrument and leveling survey in civil engineering field. I hope you understand this scope and practice. Next one is equipment used. Equipment used for same for all the 3 experiments. Please don't divide and see it as 3 experiments. See it as a lab report which you are preparing. Equipment used, the equipment you use it for auto leveling survey is manual auto level, electronic auto level, manual staff, electronic staff, tripod, plumb bob and tape. Now coming to procedure, you have to write the experiment 1, experiment 2 and experiment 3 procedures in a small paragraph, like summarize it. Like right in a first paragraph, or 1, 2, 3. If this is coming under 3.1, procedure for the first experiment, write as a short paragraph. Procedure for experiment 2, what you have done, how it is carried out. Procedure for experiment 3 is the same thing. Which place you have selected for the experiment, what you have done, what is the task given to you. So write it as a paragraphs, like you can write it as 3.1, 3.2 and 3.3. Now coming to 4, 5, 6, whatever it is, observations, as per your experiment, all this comes under the same thing, because in the same table you are having the observation column, in the same table you are having calculations columns, and in the same table you are having results. But so here you can start writing 4.1. Write the tabular form of the first experiment, height of plane collimation method. 4.2, height of rise and fall method, experiment 1. 4.3, tabular form for 2-peg test. 4.4, tabular form for experiment 3 or practical 3 using height of instrument method. Table number 5, table number 1, 2, 3, 4 and table number 5 is practical 3 rise and fall method. So here you have to provide your table, but when you are providing tables, provide some model calculation. Model calculation means you are required to provide some examples of how you calculate height of plane collimation, how you calculate rise, how you calculate fall. From height of plane collimation, how you calculate RL. From rise and fall method, from rise, how you calculate RL, reduced level. From fall, how you calculate reduced level. Everything has to be included in this. Now coming to discussion. Now discuss something what you have learned from these 3 experiments. How you feel using manual auto level and electronic auto level. While performing 2-peg test, what is the error you got? While performing this practical 3, after you plot a sketch, you have a graph. Your graph will be you plot a graph, right? I'll show you how you plot a graph. If you see, if these are the distances in meters and these are the reduced levels. Select these 2 and plot a graph. Use this one. Okay. See here, the ground is not flat. The ground is undulated. So you can see the ground. It is not in a proper level. This ground is having undulations, up and downs. So you should discuss like this. If for example, if your ground is like this, there is no big undulations. It is like this. You explain something about the ground level. Okay. Now coming back to this experiment, how to write the lab report. After discussion, draw sketches. For practical number 1, I said you cannot draw it, but you can draw it like a traverse. So start one point from benchmark and join the points what you have taken. Just start from one benchmark and join the points whatever you have taken. I'll show you example again. So for experiment practical 1, you can draw a sheet like this, showing you started your survey at benchmark and you collected some points, like it is in different numbers as per your experiment, but mention the numbers like starting at benchmark to P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, and again you came back to benchmark. This can be sketched for experiment number 1. So after that, experiment 2, you have a 2-peg test. So you can draw the sketch for 2-peg test, how it is like. So 2-peg test like this. So you just draw instrument A, B reading S1, S2 and draw another instrument in L by 10 distance A and B. So you can draw a sketch like this. So now coming to experiment 3, I have already shown a graph to you using distances and RL. So you can draw like this. So this is the way how you should prepare a lab report using this title. It is, please don't get confused in combining all the lab experiments or nothing like that. The main concentration here is on the scope of the practice and your equipment used and procedure. In this procedure only, you divide it into 3 stages, one paragraph for experiment 1 procedure, one paragraph for experiment 2, and one paragraph for experiment 3. Only here you have to separate it, but after that here are observations. You can write 4.1 table 4.1, the first thing, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, like table number you can write like this, and discussion and sketch. So you know the format of the lab reports, how the lab report is here. You can follow this, and the same thing is you should submit 2 comprehensive lab reports. Each lab report consists of 10 marks, 2 into 10 marks, 20 marks. Now coming to you are submitting each lab report after the end of the experiment every week, the lab template, which is having 2 marks, 5 into 2, 10 marks.